I'm here with a patient who underwent the Deuk Piriformis release. This is a minimally invasive procedure to treat the third most common cause of chronic back pain, which turns out to be a torn buttock muscle. This is a muscle below your gluteus maximus, deep inside, and it's called the piriformis muscle. It turns out this muscle is really short and very easy to tear. Once it's torn, it just never heals, and then you just keep aggravating it with activities. And what was life like for you with this piriformis syndrome before your surgery?
Not good. Pickleball was affected, just want to say that. So that was kind of the deciding factor. And this was after trying dry needling, PT, you name it. I've done it.
Why did you come to Deuk Spine Institute to get your back?
Because I had you 6 years ago.
Tell us about that.
Had back issues, a lumbar. I have spondylolisthesis, degenerative disc disease, stenosis. It looks bad on pictures. I had really 4 neurosurgeons recommending anywhere between a 3 and 4 level fusion. And I still did not buy it. I went 1.5 years just researching. And I don't even know if you know this. I literally stalked you for 6 months on Facebook and asked you so many questions until I felt comfortable. And that's how we got here.
And are you glad that you came to Deuk Spine 6 years ago to get your back fixed?
Oh my goodness. My husband can probably give a better testimony than I can because he had to watch the pain that I was in. So
he suffered too, but you were pretty desperate 6 years ago. Life was pretty dark for you at that time, wasn't it?
Very dark.
And there are a lot of people out there who are in that same boat right now. What would you say to those people?
Oh, don't wait. I waited 1.5 years. That was longer than I should have.
And you were on the verge of giving up.
Yep. Surgery is not paid for by insurance. Tried to run it through Blue Cross. They would not. It can be expensive. But looking back in the life that I've had since then, you can't put a number on it.
No, you can't.
And even now, I really waited too long. I've had this for a while, thought I could fix it on my own. And I'm not kidding you, that pain from the surgery is nothing compared to the piriformis pain. And I should have done it a long time ago, waited too long.
So you came back to Deuk Spine Institute from Phoenix, Arizona, right? You had your piriformis release done at Deuk Spine.
Yep.
How do you feel after your piriformis?
Oh my goodness. I mean, like night and day. I can't wait to ride. I have not sat stationary in one spot, and I can't even tell you. I constantly am adjusting my weight.
Because of the pain in the buttock?
Yeah.
And is it still there, that pain?
No.
Gone.
Completely.
That's right. Because the Deuk Piriformis release is the best treatment in the world, the safest treatment, and the most effective. It lasts a lifetime. Once we do it, it takes literally 15 minutes to do the procedure under twilight sedation. And you had it done. There's a little bruising, but that's it.
Yep.
And now you're back with no restrictions, and you're going to have a normal life. All right. Anything else you want to share with your fans out there?
He's the guy. Seriously, he's the guy.
Well, it's great to see you. Safe travels back home, and thanks for sharing your story. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, I get it.